This is Math 142, Practice Test 2, problems 15 and 16. And I'm going to do them together because they have the same initial constraints. So with this problem, let me adjust myself here, sorry. With this problem, I see that cosine of u is 4/5 and that u is bounded between 3 pi over 2 and pi over 2. So that means it must terminate here in quadrant 4. So it does something like this. And the thing I know about cosine is that cosine is x over r. So if this is 4, x is 4, that means that r has to be 5. And let's see, that's a right triangle. So I have a 3, 4, 5 triangle. I can use Pythagorean theorem to figure that out. And since it's going down, it's -3. So I know that if cosine is 4/5, sine of this value, oh my gosh, has to equal -3/5. So let's see, sine of 2u. That's the same as, it's a double angle, so 2 sine of u times cosine of u. So that would be the same as 2 times sine u, we know, -3/5. And then cosine of u, 4/5. And if I multiply these out, 2 times -3 times 4, it's -6 times 4, -24 over 5 times 5. I just wrote the answer to what I said instead of, I moved on too quick in my head. 2 times -3 times 4 is -24. And then the denominator, 5 times 5, is 25. Yay. Cosine of 2u, I could use any of those cosine relationships that I want. For some reason, I prefer, I don't have a good reason for it, cosine squared of u minus sine squared of u. This is just the one that I seem to like. So cosine u is 4/5. And that thing's going to get squared. Minus sine u is -3/5. And that's going to get squared as well. And then I'll subtract them. Boy, that's ugly. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. Minus -3 squared is 9. And my 5 that looks like a 6, if you square it, it's 25. And now all that I have to do is that final subtraction. 16 minus 9 is 7. So 16 25ths minus 9 25ths is 7 25ths. My 7 looks like a 3. All right, done.